Good morning, students. Hello. How are you? Are you enjoying at home? But I'm not because I'm missing you. Students, we will meet soon. Till that, we have to do study. So, students, today we will learn about a new thing. Let me show you what. Our today's topic is collective nouns. Collective means a collection or a group. Collective means a collection or a group. So, name of group. Whenever you see any word noun, so it refers to name. Noun means name and collective means a group. It means name of a group. Like bunch of bananas. It means lots of bananas together in a group. A bowl of rice. It means in a bowl has lots of rice. An album of photographs. Do you have any album? Yes, I also have many albums. So, album has lots of photographs in a group. So, it is a name of collective noun. A chest of drawers. What is drawers? Something which we can pull or push. Pull or push. This is called drawer. And when we see lots of drawers in a sequence or in any series, this is called chest of drawers. Would you like to see chest of drawer? Come, I will show you. See, my dear students, chest of drawers. One drawer which we can pull or push. Another drawer which we can pull or push. So, lots of drawers. Now read the definition of collective noun. A collective noun is a noun that used to name something that form in group or in collection. See how to make collective noun, how to structure it. Collective noun plus of plus any common noun. They are names of collection or the word that used for define a groups. Define a groups of objects. Like if we wish to give a name to the group of people, so we can call a crowd of people. Animals, a swarm of bees. Places, a union of countries. Things, a network of computers. See again in very simple language. Words for groups of people, animals or things are called collective nouns. So my dear students, please keep this word in mind. It means group. Okay. Next is, here are some collective nouns for groups of people. A family, a crew, a team, a club, a community, a committee, a chore, a company, a band, a gang, an orchestra, the government, an audience, the army. These are some examples which are used for groups of people only. Okay, my dear students. Now see the next slide. Here we have lots of examples of collective noun related to people, animals, things. Let's read them one by one. First of all, people. A band of men. A cast of actors. A stack of librarians. A sentence of judges. A galaxy of beauties. A wave of girls. A cheer of singer. A hack of smokers. Next, animals. A colony of gulls. A brood of hens. A flight of birds. A flock of turkeys. A group of guinea pigs. A litter of cubs. A kennel of dogs. A sloth of bears. Now come to the section of things. Students, in this section, the black words you will speak with me. Okay? Like a bunch of, yes, you have to speak cakes. Okay? Last word you have to speak. A bottle of, a bowl of, very good, rice. A box of, cereal. A can of soda. A carton of milk. A cup of tea. Now see some examples related to word bunch. Collective nouns, bunch of. Bunch of bananas. Bunch of grapes. Bunch of seals. Bunch of pigeons. We can use bunch word with many other words like banana, grapes, seals, pigeons. Okay, students. Now I am presenting some collective nouns with picture. It will help you to understand the concept very clearly. A bouquet / bunch of flowers. You can use bouquet as well as bunch word for flowers. A bowl of rice. Today I will have rice in my lunch. A hail of bullets. It means lots of bullets. A hand of bananas. You can use hand also with bananas, and bunch is also correct. A heap of rubbish. Oh my god, so much rubbish. A heap of stones. A hedge of bushes. A line of cars. A list of names. A necklace, or you can say string of pearls. Let's check out some more examples. A tube of toothpaste. A piece of jewelry. A pile of money. A drop of rain. Bunch of keys. Very good. A deck of cards. A bar of soap. A battery of test. chest of drawers, a ball of wool, a fleet of ships, a fleet of vehicles. You can use fleet in both cases also. A gallon of gasoline, a pair of shoes, a library of books, a grove of trees, a roll of film, a piece of paper, a set of tools, an album of photographs. Collective, a gaggle of keys, a swarm of bees, an army of ants, a clatter of cats, meow, a parade of elephants, a bunch of flowers, a forest of trees, a galaxy of stars, a comb of bananas, a bouquet of flowers. You can use bouquet as well as bunch for flowers. You can use comb as well as bunch for bananas. A jar of honey, a can of soda, a pack of cards, a cup of tea, a set of books.
It is a hot summer day. Thud, Balu and Jojo decide to go and meet Hop. They want to have a bath in her pond to cool down. As they reach near a grassy field, they hear a chomp-chomp noise. It is a herd of buffaloes eating grass. Jojo laughs and he looks up, sees birds flying in a V shape. It is a flock of geese. As they go further, they find a litter of newborn puppies. There are 5 of them. Oh, the sights they see! Balu almost steps on a colony of ants. Thud points to the pond in the distance. There is a school of fish swimming in the pond. Thud, Balu and Jojo dive into the cool water. They tell Hop about all the things they saw on their journey. A herd of buffaloes, a flock of geese, the litter of puppies, colony of ants, a school of fishes. Do you notice anything in common about the words herd, flock, litter, colony and school? All these words refer to a group of things. They talk about lots of things taken as one. For example, a herd of buffaloes is a lot of buffaloes that are talked of together as one whole or one group. A flock of geese. It is the same with a litter of puppies. and a colony of ants. These words are names of a group or a collection of things taken together, and they are called collective nouns. Let us look at some more collective nouns that are names of people, places, animals, or things taken as a whole. A crowd of people, a pride of lions, a bunch of grapes, and a bouquet of flowers. Do you know what the collective noun for a group of friends is? A party of friends. And that's what we are.
My dear students, hope you like this video of collective nouns. So, a dash of friends is party. A party of friends. Okay students, see you in the next video. Bye bye.